Ottawa and the surrounding region are battling a severe winter storm that hit the region on Thursday and Friday, bringing rain, ice pellets, snow, and flash floods. Tens of thousands of people lost power during the storm in eastern Ontario and western Quebec, many of whom remain in the dark on Christmas Eve. The weather forecast for Ottawa still needs to address issues such as strong wind gusts between 50 and 70 km/h, sudden loss of visibility due to wind gusts and blizzard, temperature down to -30 located or scattered blizzard, and accumulation of snow for a snow blizzard on the road surface, especially in open areas. Blizzard warning remain in effect along the St. Lawrence River from Bill Valley